my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic is about Enogie and social media presidents. And their matter I want to talk about today, my darling people. So my husband people, when I hear the story, we come out on social media. When I know say ever since two friends, so they always quarrel for this social media ever since. But the Murphy and the Enogie, they've never quarrel for this social media once. So my Ogbonge people, what's going to happen now? He pay me because I be too love the two of them, but he can't pay me. Say Enogie give himself to people to use. Hi, pay me because I be too like Enogie and the Murphy. I can't shock like what they can't just cause the problem where be say they can't begin the quarrel. Hi, this one pay me Enogie don't do this thing like 3 times. He go call a pa. He go say one settle matter for. He go say one settle matter for social media. He go begin they call different presenters. He go see me all of them settle. So a pa say and they know they tell am down. He go just shock. He go just call am say, me they come a pa. I want me you settle with this person. I want me you settle with this person. So a person go come shock say why you they always they do this kind of thing to me? Why you they always they call in where be say you don't go even tear him down. He go just shock you just call and say me you can settle with person. You know they like him. You call him, you put Mama Boy for life. After with Mama Boy don't quarrel, they can't settle. The next thing, and this thing at midnight now they say even do him. He call Olivier. When you know say Olivier and the pa they really quarrel like seriously. Before you even settle Olivier and the pa, because he sought too much for the two of them, you supposed to even first call the pa really. You're supposed to call the pa for back, say, hey pa, I want to marry you with Olivier settle. I beg. This thing not too much. As they insult your children, you like them. I beg. Abi, for me, now the way me I tell reason am. But Enogie not doing like that. For me, I believe say Enogie now the way he says you're still rich. Because normally, if you want to settle a pa and Olivier, you're supposed to be say you don't talk to a pa for back, and you don't talk to Olivier for back before they will come settle. You don't feel just settle them like just like that. For me, so you know doing like that, you can't call the pa. You say you just call the pa. You say we want put Olivier for life, make them settle. I pass here. You know, why be say you know they call me down? Why be say you go just call me just like that? Say you want settle us. You know like that's the way you did do. Now if I cut the phone, if I can't go in live video, go do live video. So and according to Enogie, say if you want to put Monica for line. But for me, as a peacemaker, as you want to do that peace, now very good thing you want just do really. Very, very good thing. But you prefer call a pa or call Monica for back to Olivier for back. Me, if I tell them down, me, you know, you'll be like, say the thing just be surprised. Say, for me, the way me I tell reason am a pa, now that one I invest a pa can't go live video. Go they do live video, say, why Enogie go just call you like that? Say me you can't dey settle. He don't like that thing. It be like disrespect. He don't do this thing like 3 times to him. He know they like him. You understand? The pa converse. The pa converse where say wife call the verse. The pa be not just to verse. The wife call the verse. Say no. He not like this the way Enogie they do. He not like him. See the way Enogie they disrespect you. Now Enogie now they can't tell Enogie now. You know commenters now. They can't tell Enogie say a pa dey live video. A pa no answer you again. Now Enogie can say Epa go live video when you want do settlement. And no get come verse. Then you no get come say for this one where Epa do today, Epa not be godfather again. So I can't hear where your wife talking for background say no, it never reach like that. You can't say no. You can't say Mama Nora just go inside. I beg. You don't want to hear your talk. In the verse, Epa not be godfather again. You can't verse. I can't even hear where you tell and say no, it never reach like that. You know. So no get come verse. So now his wife can't hear that one. His wife can't begin the that is a social media president. Wife can't the verse say why you no get go talk say you not be godfather again. Me no get go, you no get help. You know even want you no get make it go. He doesn't say you no get they bias for this matter. You know. So Epa never say be verse so Epa consider tell the wife say don't do. Maybe you calm down. You know, say that one and just normal talk way, you know, get the talk. Two of them go see settle, you know. So my darling people, I can't say na just normal something, say they go settle, you know. No be a person not the quarrel. I can't shock the thing. The next thing, that same day, quarrel don't start to. That somebody can't tell you, no, they say, power wife, they insult you, you know, they can't start you. You know, they can't start. Two of them come begin, they insult each other. Hey. It can shocktalize me. Not be yesterday now they can just really talk more. A part concern I ain't give a no wife medicine way wife say get belle. A no say that he give a no say na lie. As in, I can't just be shocked. The way to come they surprise me for this matter be say this social media no friend though. Not make friend for this social media at all. Now wait me at your reason. Not just make friend. Be on your own, really. Please, I just want to use this one to take advice now. Because if corridor there, what do they do for secrets? The whole world will call hear them very, very bad. Very, very bad. And who they do this thing pass now with the dose? Why it be like that? Maybe we see they take them easy. It no good. No matter the quarrel when you with somebody go quarrel, more than they talk the secret wanna do hide. A part wrong, and no get wrong. The two of them wrong. You know? The thing can shocktalize me. It's not good. This social media not friend though. Not just make friend. Just make friend of chow when we just greet each other. Because you don't know the day one way go set. But you begin to talk una. I said, this social media, person, if you not they learn, me I they learn oh. If you not they learn for this social media, me I they learn. My gosh. No. I fear will not fear social media people. I fear will not fear una. Any small thing like this and secrets go your fool. And no, they say a social media president wife they use the husband for us. If they do this one, they do that one. This one go talk in own. Hey, well, married men for that matter. I beg more na wife take una enter house really. No.